What's up, everyone? Trevor here with Marcus, and we have a good friend of ours, Jackie, that recently hit some new amazing results with his store. Inside this testimonial, we'll go over Jackie's story, how we essentially met, and overall his achievements with his high-ticket e-commerce business. Let's bring it over to Marcus to kind of tell you a little bit more about Jackie.
Thanks, Trevor. Yo, so Jackie is a good friend of mine. He was a childhood friend, met up with me back then, and he asked me to get his hands wet with e-commerce. And now fast forward a few years later, we just documented him live, literally getting a sale right before us, a high ticket sale. And I'm just going to go straight into it. He's going to answer some questions in regards to, what kind of products he's selling, how he found it, and overall, just let him share his journey with it. So I'm super excited to share it with you guys. Let's get right into the video. Yo, what is going on, everybody? I'm with one of my Peak Flow students. His name is Jackie. We just got some insane results that we want to share.
What's going on, guys? My name is Jackie. Take a look. We just got a sale not even too long ago. 3K sale. Let's go, baby. Definitely beats a 9 to 5, to be honest.
Oh, it just happened today.
It happened today. And advice that I would give myself, honestly, when starting out my e-commerce and business journey would be to honestly just put in the work, do the things that need to be done. If it's sending out the email at 5 a.m. in the morning, if it's sending out 10 emails, doing 10 calls in a span of like 1 hour because you also are busy with your other tasks throughout the day, then do so, Take risk and don't be afraid to just show out your best self.
Yo, Jackie, like 2 years ago, if I told you you would get money coming into your phone and your bank account, like online, like how would you feel if I told you?
I honestly wouldn't even believe it because it's like, how can I sit here and send out one email and then do one call and then automatically get like 3K in the bank from a sale?
Is that what happened?
It's honestly crazy. Yeah, that's like literally what happened. Like this morning, client called me, made an inquiry, boom. I called him, I called my supplier, right? I told him what to expect, done deal with the sale. So it was honestly a very, very smooth process, and it took a lot of time to build the foundations, and it's very, very tedious. But once you build the foundations, once you learn how to speak confidently to not only your clients and not only your supplier, you will also gain talking as a skill and executing actions as a skill as well.
That's very well said from the business perspective. Now, from the dropshipping side, Jackie, how did you find this product, or how did you even get that customer to even talk to you in the first place?
The way I found this product was doing research on what products can be searched up on Google, right? And how I was able to land this client was that obviously I run paid ads on Google Ads, and because I have worked so hard 5 a.m., 12 a.m. to work on my store and make sure that my homepage is great, the links are working, the photos are good, the description is good, that it gives a very, very good platform for the customer to have a good interface to operate on. And that is ultimately what's going to be able to help you close a sale, not only having a good homepage, landing page, but also being able to talk to the customer and being able to just have the best customer service that you can, because that's your edge against your competitors, right? If you are competing against 1,000 different stores, what's going to help you compete against other people? It's two things: optimal customer service, and number two is having long-term vision for your customers and for your store, okay?
So if someone is struggling with dropshipping, or they're kind of just looking to get started with high ticket, do you recommend high ticket over low ticket, or how do you feel about a
I
beginner?
definitely recommend high ticket over low ticket because usually high ticket is better in quality, right? Your brand is a representation of the delivery of your products and the delivery of your customer service, right? There's three different things about a brand, right? What you say or what content you put out, how people experience your brand or your company, and what other people say about your brand, right? So, when you're able to build a brand according to your high ticket products, that allows you to have better quality customers rather than 100 different customers that are high ticket, you're going to get less customers, but it's going to be higher value and just warmer conversions at the end of the day.
Awesome. Last question, Jackie, and feel free to be completely honest, right? Now, we know that you're able to wake up at 5 a.m., 11 a.m., do whatever to get what it's done. Do you think this business model is adaptable for the beginner entrepreneur? They don't know if they could do it because they're not you. And you could be very honest, bro. Is this beginner friendly, or How do you go about this with the business model of high ticket dropshipping?
Anything you do is going to have its learning curve. Whether you play basketball, whether you work out, it's going to have its learning curve. You're going to have to put in the reps on the days that you don't want to, and you're going to have to put in the reps in general, right? I heard this quote a long time ago, and I still stick with it, right? If you want to see flowers, don't be surprised when it rains. If you want to see trees, and if you want to build a garden, don't be surprised when you have to literally dig, plant the seed, water the plants, or water the seed, and allow your plant to grow. So is it beginner friendly? Yes, it can be for a lot of people if you are a fast learner. But is it possible? Listen, I showed you, Marcus has showed you. There's plenty of testimonials that you will see online. It's very, very possible, but don't think it's possible from just one day, 1 week, 1 month. Your business is a baby that you water and you grow along with it. I really believe that the amount of money you get paid in life is predicated to the amount of skill that you have under your belt. So if you do work hard, all right, you do have a journey of, you know what, instead of me seeing the money, I'm gonna build my skills first, because that's what's really gonna take me to the next level. If I were to go broke literally in the next month, right, due to some unforeseen circumstance, I still have the skills and I can still build it up. Instead of me just getting the money out of nowhere, not knowing how to invest it, not knowing how to utilize it, not knowing how to hire the people, right? So it's about having your journey as a business or entrepreneur, and then planting your seeds and watering your seeds consistently, despite however you feel.
So would you say high ticket dropshipping gave you those skills necessary to grow your plants and those flowers?
I believe so, because it gives you a certain tier of customers that you are dealing with, right? And it puts you in the market of money, right? And if I'd rather deal with a person that's buying a 5K item than a person that's buying a $5 item that's gimmicky. You're gonna bring a different audience to your plates, and I'd rather deal with the higher value audiences.
Facts. Love it, Jackie. Thank you so much. Give me a pound one more time. And let's just end it off with, what is it, Jackie?
Rise to your peak, flow to your rhythm. Peace.